Alright, today I'm using Cat Plus, and this 536 and 436 are version 2. I'm still having an issue. Someone posted so I might have a hardware problem on the 436. Well, I used a different antenna I used for my old Alinco DGAX10, but when I move it around, it gets like 2 to 3 bars, but there's nothing happening. It doesn't show Cat Plus in the bottom. Doesn't show any talk groups. It just nothing shows up. It just sits there. And this is the antenna right here I'm using. See, this is the talk group shown on the base unit.
Hey, you want me to take 90, right? You want me to take 90?
I take this around.
And then you want me to come back up, right?
Sitting 2 bars, but nothing.
I want you to get on 90 like you're going to Midway. Get on 10 and
I'll move it over here.
That'll be the east side. Just making sure.
So I don't know if it's a hardware issue but I'm going to go pop in the version 3 of the beta and see if there's any difference. Okay, this is the both 536 and 436 been updated to the version 3 of the beta on DMR. As you see, the base is still picking up the Cat Plus, but when I have the 436 scanning, it still won't pick it up. As you see here, it's showing 2 bars. If I move around the house, I still won't receive nothing. But I don't understand, it might be a hardware issue. As you see, it went up a little bit. So I don't know if it's what's going on. But now if I hook up the outside antenna, which is the 536 is hooked up, but my outside antenna is right next to the windowsill, as the previous video. Yeah, it just the signal bar still shows up, but if you look on the 536, there's no signal bar. So is there any ideas why is that showing up on this one but on the other? And I'm using the DGAX10 antenna from my old Alinco. It picked up an extra bar from the regular antennas I had. I tried the Radio Shack 800 antenna. Now I tried the PSR 800 stock antenna, the little stub. I also tried this little guy here. Nothing.
35 on yours.
And I tried this. I forgot. I had this antenna for a long time, for about 15 years. I tried that. Nothing works with it. Now, if I hook up, like I said, the outside antenna, it will pick up no problem. It'll probably pick up like 3 bars and so on. But as right now, if I move it over here, I'm getting 2 solid bars, but like I said, if you go over here, got nothing. So that's the demo version. I'm having a problem with Cat Plus, but the Connect Plus, I'll do a video on that. Okay, I'm in the conventional mode on this power company system, which is the Power Southern Energy company. This is for Gulf Power in the Northwest Florida area. This is what it shows me when I'm in the conventional frequency. This is the control channel. Gives me the slot number. The slot number changes. I noticed earlier this morning, I got home from work about 1:30ish. It was on slot 1. So now it's on slot 2. So it does change. Now, if I go to another channel, the ones that I heard talkative was this one and this one. So I have an issue with trying to get the LCN finder to work correctly. So what I did, I went back into the site section and deleted those 2 I didn't need. So instead of having 5, I have 3 in there. But when I go to the analyze section, some reason on the version 3 beta, it still shows 0 out of 3. Now this morning I plugged in, I rolled back to the version 2, and I did the same thing to the analyze, and it shows 1 out of 3. And I'm not able to get no more than 2 or 3 bars during the day for some odd reason around here. Tower's about 20-30 miles from here. I tried everything. I went into the frequencies and changed all to them zeros, and I tried 1, 2, and 3. Then I tried 1, 3, and 5, and so on. And I switched the control channel, like, to slot 1. Then the other 2 I put, like, 2 and 3, and so on. It didn't work. So this is, like I said, this is the version 3. But when I go back to the version 2, it'll go 1 out of 3 for some odd reason. So I don't know if there's a glitch or just might be hardware issue. This is what it looks like.